Hey there, it's Tom the English Picker here. So next week on Wednesday, the 1st of October, I am going to be going over to Birmingham to the NEC to go to eBay Open 2025. I wasn't sure whether I was going or not, but I am going now. I'm just going for the day. I'm not staying over due to some health reasons, which I'll go into in another video. But I will be there, so if you're going, do come say hello. I'll be walking around, chatting to people, this and that. And for the people not going, if there's anything you want me to ask eBay, let me know in the comments section, because I've obviously got a list of stuff that I want to talk to them about. Things like eBay Live and stuff to do with bulk listing media and stuff like that. So, but if there is anything that you can think of, let me know, because I'll happily ask them for you. I'm going to be filming there, so if you want to come and have a chat and be on the camera, come over. If you don't want to be on the camera, that's all cool. But yeah, just come say hello. So I'm really excited about it. It's the first eBay event I've ever been to, so I feel quite honoured to be going. Now, the other truth that I'm going to admit, I feel like enough time has passed now. I did actually apply for the eBay award this year. I didn't go for the community one, because I knew some big hitters like Ricky Lee, George, and a few others, George Ross and a few others were going for it. So I thought, you know what? They have actually got more subscribers than me. They put out videos more than me. I'm not going to be able to. I'm not going to be able to win here. So I actually went for the I think it's Innovation Award. It was stuff to do with ethics and whatnot. I'll put the blurb up of what the award was I went for. I wasn't going to talk about it because I didn't get shortlisted, which is totally fine. I'm okay about that. I feel it was a bit, the people who got shortlisted were large charities, large organisations, which I personally don't feel that the money for the prize pool wouldn't be as much use to, because that will get eaten up by petty bureaucracy. But that's just my opinion on charities. If you want to see my application video, I could make it public if it's of interest. But essentially my angle was, if you don't know, I recycle stuff. So I use my shredder here to make recycled plastic flakes, and then I make stuff out of it. So my angle was that I'm contributing to sustainability by making things out of stuff that would go to landfill, like these. But I didn't get shortlisted, so that's fine. I was okay about it. I understand why, and I know now who's won the community award. So well done, mate. You've worked hard on your YouTube channel, so I'll be there to celebrate it with you. So I would say you owe me a pint, but I'm driving. So yeah, I think that's everything. So yeah, so there will be short form content coming in the meantime, and then I'm going to be filming at the event. I've got another long form video which I need to finish editing and whatnot. But if you come into eBay Open, I'll see you there. And if not, let me know in the comment section what you want me to ask eBay. If you like talking about eBay and buying and selling, click on this video here, might interest you, and smash that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.